This is exercise 3-25 in my Revit certification exam that looks at how to monitor a linked file. In other words, how to determine if a file that you've imported from another source has been modified. So I have I_multiple disciplines.rvt open. I'm going to the Insert ribbon, and I'm going to select Link Revit. And then I'm looking for the I_struct.revit file, which is a structural file. And I want to set this to internal origin to internal origin, and I'll click Open. And you can see that. So I'm going to go to the Collaborate ribbon, and I'm going to the Copy Monitor tool. And I'm going to click on Select Link, and I can mouse over until you see the link, and I'm going to select the link. Okay, and then I'm going to say I want to monitor changes. So I'm going to click on Monitor, and I'm going to select Level 1, and then I'm going to select it again. And you see this little heartbeat right here indicating that it's being monitored. And then I'm going to select Level 2, which is the host drawing, and then Level 2, which is the link drawing. And again, you see the monitor. And finally, I'm going to select the roof in the host file and the roof in the linked file. And you can see the monitor again. Okay, and then I'm going to click Finish. And then I'm going back to the Insert ribbon, and I'm going to select Manage Links. And I'm going to right-click this, right-click the link that I put in, and I'm going to say Reload From. And I'm going to load the revised drawing and click Open. And it says it needs a coordination review, and I'm just going to say OK. I'm going to close this dialog. Okay, so the new link is in there. I'm going back to the Collaborate ribbon, and I'm going to select Coordination Review, and I'm going to select the link. And I'm going to select the revised link, and it's going to show me that some levels have moved. And I can postpone the action, or I can accept the difference, or I can move it. And I'm going to move level roof. Okay, and if I want to, I can add a comment like approved and click OK. And then the second level is level 2, and I'm going to again accept the difference or move it. I'm going to say I'm going to move it, add a comment, I'll say approved, and say OK. All right, and then I can create a report that I can email to the rest of the team so they know what changes happened. And it becomes an HTML or web page. And I'll just save it under the file name. Okay, and then say OK. And notice it's saying some floors overlap. I can deal with that another time. The HTML report that was created, and I can just open it up, and you can see the report. It shows what happened and when it happened and who approved it. And that's the end of the exercise.